Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty. I'm here with another skin video for you. You know, I am an esthetician, licensed, and I am absolutely in love with what I do. And one of the reasons why I got into aesthetics was because I'm really passionate about skin. I've had some skin issues, and I'll share more and more about my skin issues as we travel down this journey together. But on this video, I want to talk about toning. Toning your skin is extremely important. You don't want to skip this step, and if you have been skipping this, I advise you to get on the toning train now. Your skin is going to thank you for it. And I know that it has done a world of good for me, and you have to be really intentional about the products that you're using. As a licensed esthetician, one of the things that I've really wanted to do is get my own skincare line. I haven't wanted to do this forever, but over the years, especially working in my beauty business, there are so many different skincare companies out there, especially when it comes to being a licensed professional. And when it comes to skincare companies, their bottom line is profits, and that totally makes sense because they're a business. But when it comes to skincare, it's all about the ingredients. And I said that if I could start my own skincare line, making it as super simple as possible, focusing on really good ingredients, making sure the products don't have any parabens or preservatives and things that will be irritants to the skin, and just offering people simple solutions to really help to get their skin on the path that they want it to be on, why not do that? That is what I am licensed to do. So I have my own skincare line now. It's through my beauty business, and I'm really excited about it. And I want to share one of the products that I really love in this skincare line. This is a toner. It's called CE Tone. The C stands for vitamin C, and E is for vitamin E. But the way you use this product is you want to make sure your skin is completely cleansed, and then you will apply it to a cotton ball. You can see the product right here, and I've already cleansed my face in the shower, and I'm applying this cotton ball all over my skin that I have applied the toner to, and I'm just applying that all over my skin, being really intentional about going all over the different areas but not going too close to the eyes. And I'm also getting under my jawline and going down my neck. You can actually use toner on your décolleté, or which is also called your upper chest area as well. But as you can see there, you see that nasty stuff. Yeah, my skin is clean. I did cleanse my skin in the shower, and believe me, if it wasn't clean, then that cotton ball would have been a lot dirtier than that. But what toner does is helps to extract and pull up those things that your regular skincare routine has missed. The CE Tone revitalizes the skin with vitamin C, and it has over a dozen unique botanical actives, and it really helps to balance the skin, and it helps with the absorption of other serums and products that you will be using after you tone your skin. As you can see, I'm actually going over my eyebrows as well, but you want to use toner after you've cleansed your face and before you apply your other skincare products. So it's highly advised to always use sunscreen, but I've completely toned my skin. I'm just fanning it a little bit. It doesn't make my skin feel irritated at all, but if you're a little bit more sensitive, you might feel a little tingling, but my skin feels really good. It feels really clean. It looks really good, and I just wanted to share this with you all. If you have any questions about this product or any questions about any other skincare issues or concerns, please leave it in the comment section for me. But this is Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty, here to share the Bible that is business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for giving me a thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. I hope you have a beautifully blessed and amazing day.